Practice the latest SAP IBP for supply chain, 2311, C_IBP_2311 real questions for preparation. 1. Which unified planning processes data is commonly reviewed in SAP IBP for sales and operations? Mote. There are two correct answers to this question. A. Global demand plan. B. Constrained demand plan. C. Inventory plan. D. Consensus demand plan. Answer. C, D. 2. You created a key figure and want to add calculations. Which of the following rules do you consider? Note. There are two correct answers to this question. A. All key figure calculation have calculation inputs, which can be marked as stored or collocated. B. The calculation chain for a key figure must always result in a calculated key figure. C. Aggregation calculations using sum or max functions must be based on a higher aggregation U level. D. Key figure can be calculated across the different planning levels. Answer. A, D. 3. What are some of the key capabilities of SAP Integrated Business Planning for Demand? Note. There are three correct answers to this question. A. Automated, exception-based processing. B. Statistical analysis using the predictive analytics tools. C. Determination of coefficient of variation, CV. D. Classifying demand into zones. E. Embedded, on-the-fly demand analytics. Answer. A, C, E. 4. Model configuration allows the attributes of a master data type to be assigned as key figures which feature is relevant for this type of object. A. This type of key figure is not usually stored and it cannot be SI table. B. This type of key figure has better performance than a time-independent key figure. C. This object usually provides a single value for a unique planning combination. D. This object contains user-defined criteria that monitor the running of business plan. Answer. C. 5. You need to create time periods for the time profile in a planning area. What should you be aware of when running the Create Time Periods application job? A. The planning area to which the time profile is assigned must be active. B. This application job can also be triggered from SAP IBP, add-in for Microsoft Excel. C. A time profile has to be activated so that application job can proceed. D. It is mandatory to specify the planning area in the parameter section of the application job. Answer. C. 6. You are starting a new implementation project for SAP IBP and are considering the possible system architecture. What are the possible approaches for setting up the system landscape? Note. There are two correct answers to this question. A. Set up the two-tier landscape and have the configuration for development system regularly updated from the production system. B. Create additional planning areas in the test system to support training needs. C. Create additional test planning areas in the production system to support cutover needs. D. Set up a three-tier landscape using transport, starting from the development system to test and production. Answer. B, D. 7. What is taken as an input for the demand sensing process? Note. There are two correct answers to this question. A. Results of time series analysis. B. Forecast accuracy measures. C. Open sales order. D. Consensus demand. Answer. C, D. 8. Analytics charts are created by the user in the Advanced Analytics application. What can the user do in the Advanced Analytics app? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. A. Trigger export to manage analytics stories. B. Merge charts together. C. Applying filters on their data. D. Group data. Answer. C, D. 9. You create a planning filter using an SAP IBP Fiori app. Which of the following objects can it be applied to? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this question. A. Planning view template in the SAP IBP add-in for Microsoft Excel. B. Jobs in the Application Jobs app. C. Compare function in the Planning Areas app. D. Supply chain graph in Supply Chain Network app. Answer. A, B. 10. What are the relevant use cases for helper key figures? Note: there are 2 correct answers to this questions. A. Used to break down a large calculation into manageable subcalculations. B. Used by end users in planning views to help visualize cross-period calculations. C. Used at any level of calculation level except the request level. D. Used when you have more than 3 inputs at the different planning level in one calculation. Answer. A, D.